guys, hi everyone. This is Sheetal Chaudhary, your accounts master teacher, and I welcome you all to Vedantu Commerce. So, I hope that all of you are good, fine, and awesome. And I hope that you all have registered yourself for the vote. If not, then let me tell you that this is not just an exam. ये सिर्फ एग्जाम नहीं है. This is your comeback to the field of learning. As you all know that how 2020 has affected our learning. It has really affected the learning badly. So now it's time to take a pledge to make comeback. And your comeback moment starts now with the vote. So tell me that where you guys are from. You are from which part of the country, from which city you belong to. And if you don't know the voting dates, then let me tell you that these are your voting dates. You can give a vote on any of the following date. Vote will be conducted on 28th March, 4th April, 11th April and 18th April. And you can appear in the vote on any of the day as per your comfortability, as per your availability. So जल्दी से जाने का और अपने आप को रजिस्टर करने का फॉर वोट. तो हमें क्या करना है? कम बैक करना है because Vedantu will be doing in-depth performance analysis with all India rank. We will be providing you guaranteed scholarship with a pool of over 500 crore. You can also get a chance to win exciting prizes daily worth rupees 1 crore. And the most important thing, you can get a chance to be the CEO of Vedantu for one full day. Yes, you all heard it right. आप एक दिन के लिए वेदांतु का CEO बन सकते हो. And you can also win a chance to get a trip to NASA. So, if you have not registered yourself, then go and register yourself now and make a comeback with Vedantu Online Talent Exam with V.O.T.E. So, you can win all these amazing prizes with participating in V.O.T.E. You can get a chance to win Kindle, EcoDot, JBL headphone, Google Mini Home. You can win all these amazing prizes and these ones also. So what are you waiting for? Go and register yourself now for the V.O.T.E. or the Vedantu Online Talent Exam. And if you don't have the complete knowledge, if you want to know more about V.O.T.E., then visit the link given below, or you can wait till the end of this session. Or you can also download our app to have the complete information about V.O.T.E. So let me tell you in summary that how you all can register yourself. You have to go to the link that is given below. Then you will enter your details like name, grade, board and target. Then you will register yourself and you will get your voter ID card. After getting the voter ID card, you have to choose your voting days and then it's all done. So go and follow this process to register yourself. And now let me tell you that what will be your exam pattern, how the vote will be conducted for commerce. So there will be total 3 subjects: accounts, business studies and economics. Each subject will contain 30 questions. So total there will be 90 questions. For every correct answer, you will get 4 marks. For every wrong answer, 1 mark will be deducted. So there will be negative marking. And this test will be of 90 minutes. The time duration will be 90 minutes or 1.5 hours. So this is going to be the exam pattern for commerce V.O.T.E. And if you don't want to play alone, then don't worry. You can play with your friends also. So create your squad and play with your friends and win the big and exciting gift with your friends. So go and create your squad now. So now you are all set to make a comeback. So register yourself now if you haven't registered yet. Now coming on to the today's session, class 11th and 12th accountancy. So this is class 12th trailer series, and now we are going to discuss the next chapter. So now you all are ready for class 12th as your exams are over now. So finally now we can move on to next class 12th. And if you guys are new to this channel, Vedantu Commerce, or if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe to our channel for more such classes. Also, do give this session a thumbs up and share this with your friends. Also, for upcoming sessions and notes, you can join us on Telegram. The name of group is Vedantu Commerce. So if you want all the notes in PPT, in PDF form, then go and join this group ASAP, and the link is also given in the description box below. Now, are you guys interested to know that what is there in the class 12th? Do you want to know what all topics are there? So, here I am to tell you today the next chapter of class 12. चलिए क्लास को स्टार्ट करते हैं. And today we are going to discuss about not for profit organization. आज हम लोग क्या पढ़ेंगे? We will learn about not for profit organization, which is also known as NPO, which is also known as NPO. So not for profit organization, it is also known as NPO. Now what does this mean? Not for profit organization. Till now, whatever we have done, whether it is sole proprietorship form of organization, whether it is पार्टनरशिप, चाहे हमने अभी तक कुछ भी पढ़ा. इन क्लास 11th हमने क्या पढ़ा था? सोल प्रोप्राइटरशिप. इन क्लास 12th we have read about partnership. Now both the forms of organization are established, are set up for the profit motive, whether it is sole proprietorship or whether it is partnership. Both the organization are set up to earn profit. Sole proprietor is doing business for profit. Partners are doing business for profit. दोनों की दोनों क्या कर रहे थे? जो भी काम कर रहे थे वो प्रॉफिट के लिए कर रहे थे. Every activity, single activity was conducted with the motive of profit. So these organizations were set up for the profit, your partnership, your sole proprietorship. And today we are going to discuss not for profit organization, which is not set up for profit. ये जो not for profit organization होती है, आपको नाम से ही पता चल रहा होगा, these organizations are set up not for profit. They don't want to earn profit. उन्हें profit नहीं चाहिए. अब आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे उन्हें प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए तो क्या चाहिए मैम? If they don't want profit, then what they actually want? So there are some good people in society who don't want to earn profit. They want to help the needy people. They want to help society. So what is not for profit organization? Let's see. What is NPO? Not for profit organization. These organizations are those concerned which do not have profit motive. They don't want to earn any profit. उन्हें कोई भी profit नहीं कमाना. Example, you can take NGOs. There are a lot of NGOs in our environment. So NGOs are a part of not for profit organization. They are working for the society. They don't want to earn profit. They want to help the society. They want to help public at large. So what is non-for-profit organization? These are those concerned which do not have profit earning motive. So why they are set up? If they are not set up for profit, then what they will actually do? So not for profit organizations, these are set up with the objective of providing cultural, health, educational services to public or member. They will provide cultural services or health services or educational services to the public or to their members. Now, who are members? So NPO is formed by the member. Voluntary subscriber, the people will join it by their will. लोग अपनी मर्जी से इनके members बनते हैं. So NPO may be set up to provide services to the society or to provide services to their member. And who are member? Voluntary subscriber who join the organization at their will. They are known as members. So not-for-profit organizations are set up for providing services. They will provide service to the society. This is their main purpose. उनका मेन ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है कि वो पब्लिक को या मेंबर्स को सर्विस प्रोवाइड कर सके. They don't want to earn profit. So what are the examples of NPO? Do they exist really in the environment? Do they exist in the practical life? Yes. Not-for-profit organization exist in real life. Library. These are not-for-profit organization. हम library क्यों set करते हैं? ताकि हम बच्चों को educational services provide कर सके. Schools. Some schools, government schools, these are type of NGO because they are charging the nominal fees. कम से कम फीस पर वो बच्चों को education provide कर रहे हैं. So school is also a NPO. Now आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे हमारे स्कूल तो फीस लेते हैं. So they are charging fees to cover their expenditure. They are charging the nominal fees. I will explain you this also. Right now, let me explain you the example. Library is NPO, NGO. School is NPO. Schools are not set up for earning profit. Hospitals are not set up for earning profit. These organizations are set up to provide services to the society. School provide educational services. Hospital provide healthcare services to the society, to the public at large. Now, NPO may provide services either free of cost or it may charge some nominal amount to cover their expenditure. अब इनके भी तो कुछ खर्चे होते हैं ना. स्कूल्स में बहुत सारे खर्चे होते हैं, लाइटनिंग के, स्टाफ के. तो स्कूल्स को उन खर्चों को पे करने के लिए एक नॉमिनल फीस चार्ज करनी पड़ती है. Same with hospital. In hospital, there are also expenditure like electricity, like machine. So hospitals also may charge some nominal fees. वो free of cost भी provide कर सकते हैं. Some NGO provide services free of cost and some charge nominal amount to cover their expenditure. क्योंकि अगर वो फीस चार्ज नहीं करेंगे तो उनके खर्चे कहाँ से भरेंगे? ऐसे तो उनका काम चलेगा ही नहीं. So they have to charge nominal fees sometime. So these are the examples of NPO. And there is one full chapter in your class 12th of NPO, which is of 10 marks. So this chapter is the most scoring chapter in class 12th. ये अकेला chapter 10 नंबर का है in class 12th. So now, what are the features of NPO? NPO के features क्या क्या है? So first feature is, just a minute. So first feature of NPO is no profit, no loss. As I have already told you, These organizations are not set up for the profit. So such organization generate just sufficient revenue. ये सिर्फ इतना sufficient पैसा कमाते हैं. They just generate sufficient revenue so that they can cover their expenditure and they can expand further. And they are not working with the motive of earning profit. So they are generating the revenue so that they can cover their expenditure and they can expend a little bit with the same intention of not earning profit. They don't want to earn any profit. They just want the enough revenue which can cover their expenditure. उनको सिर्फ इतने फंड चाहिए होते हैं कि उनके खर्चे निकल जाए, उनको प्रॉफिट नहीं चाहिए. So this is the first feature, no profit, no loss. Coming to the second feature. The second feature is purpose. Just a minute. Give me 1 minute, guys. So what is the second feature? The second feature is purpose. What is their objective? What is their purpose? So as we have already covered, basically such organizations are engaged in providing services. Their main purpose is to provide services to a specific group or to the public at large. Some NGOs, some not-for-profit organization, they only provide services to a specific group. Like they are working for blind people, for deaf people. So they may provide services to a specific group or the whole public at large. And which type of services they will provide? They will provide services like educational or healthcare services. Educational services, cultural services, religious services, they can provide any type of service to the public. Now, they can provide these services either free of cost or at nominal charges. तो हर NPO free of cost service provide नहीं करती. All the NPOs will not provide the services free of cost. They may charge some nominal charges so that they can cover their expenditure. So this is the second purpose. Now let me tell you that I am not able to reply to your comments because this is a recorded session. So don't worry, I will, if there is any doubt in the class, you can ask me in the chat box. I will be taking your doubts in the next session. But please be very attentive. Don't take this recorded session leniently. Okay? So now coming on to the third feature. The third feature is management. Who will manage these organizations? These are managed by whom? So such concerns are usually managed by the managing committee or executive committee. A separate committee is formed, is prepared to manage these organizations. तो एक अलग से रिप्रेजेंटेटिव चुने जाते हैं. Members will choose their representative and then they will prepare a committee, they will form a committee who will manage the whole NPO. So these organizations are managed by the committee, managing committee of the representative of the member. Member will choose their own representative who will manage the organization. And who are members? Members कौन होते हैं? Voluntary subscriber to such concern are the members of the concern. The people who voluntarily become the member, who are become the member at their will, they are known as member. The people who are voluntarily joining the organization, who are voluntarily subscribing to the organization, they are known as members of the concern. So who will manage this NPO? Managing committee or executive committee. Next, how they will get their income, from where they will get their fund. इनके पास पैसा कहाँ से आएगा? What are the sources of income for NPO? So the main sources of income for such concern, इनको क्या मिलती है? Donation मिलती है. They receive donation from public. So first source of income is donation. And जब कोई member बनता है, when some people become the member, they have to pay subscription fees. If you want to become the member, you have to pay subscription fees. That is also the main source of income. So main source of income for such concern are subscription from member, donation, entrance fees. When you enter into the organization, you have to pay entrance fees. Interest on investment. They have invested their money somewhere. NPO ने कहीं अपना पैसा इन्वेस्ट किया होगा. So interest on investment or rent received. These are the sources of income for NPO. Subscription from member, donation, entrance fees, interest on investment and rent received. These are the sources of income from where NPO will receive their funds. Now coming on to the next feature, that is surplus. If they are receiving any excess amount over the expenditure, अगर उन्हें खर्चों के बाद कोई पैसा बच जाता है, if they are receiving any surplus, then how they will utilize that? तो surplus क्या है? So as we all know, the intention of such concern is not to make profit. They don't want to make profit, but sometimes they may have excess of income over expenditure. कभी कभार ना चाहते हुए भी उनकी इनकम उनके खर्चों से ज्यादा हो सकती है. They may have excess of income over expenditure. So if their income is more than expenditure, then that is known as surplus. If income is more than expenditure, then that is known as surplus, and such surplus will not be distributed among member. जैसे हमने पार्टनरशिप में किया था, in partnership the profit was distributed between partner, but in NPO you will not distribute the profit among member. The profit is not distributed among member. The surplus is not distributed among member. What you will do, it is added to the capital fund. आप इसको capital fund में add कर दोगे, and the surplus will be utilized for the same objective for which the concern is started. The surplus will also be utilized for the purpose of the organization, for the objective of the organization. जिस भी काम के लिए अपने आपने ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाई है, आप उस पर्पस के लिए इस सरप्लस को यूज करोगे. यू विल नॉट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट इट बिटवीन द मेंबर. नेक्स्ट, कैपिटल फंड. वी आर एडिंग सरप्लस टू द कैपिटल फंड. व्हाट इज दिस कैपिटल फंड? This is not capital. It's not capital. It's capital fund. So it is a common fund. It is a type of reserve which is created by member from different sources. जहाँ जहाँ से पैसा आता है उसमें से थोड़ा थोड़ा पैसा निकाल के out of the different sources they save some amount. They create a common fund for the establishment of the organization and for the further development of the organization. So they are creating a common fund for the establishment, for the development, and this is known as capital fund. So ये capital नहीं है, ये partners members ने नहीं लगाई, ये capital fund है जो हमने अलग अलग sources से तैयार किया है. So this is capital fund. So these are 6 features of NPO. No profit, no loss. Purpose, management, capital fund, surplus, and source of income. So these are the features of NPO. Now, what are the financial statement of NPO? NPO, will it also prepare trading account, P&L account and बैलेंस शीट? क्या फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट, कौन सी फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट होंगी एनपीओ की? क्या एनपीओ भी ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट बनाएगी, पीएनएल अकाउंट बनाएगी या फिर बैलेंस शीट बनाएगी? In class 11th we have done this. We have prepared trading account to find gross profit. We have prepared P&L account to find net profit. So will NPO also prepare those financial statements? So the answer is no. The financial statement of NPO are different. And these are the financial statement of NPO. So NPO also prepare three financial statements. It will prepare receipt and payment account. In receipt and payment account, it will record all the receipt and all the payment. Receipt and payment account में वो सारी receipt record करेगी, सारी payment record करेगी. In income and expenditure account, it will record all the income and all the expenditure. And then it will prepare balance sheet in which all the assets and liabilities will be recorded. So these are the financial statement of NPO: receipt and payment account, income and expenditure account and balance sheet. We will learn about all these financial statement briefly when we will do this chapter, because in board's exam and final exam, preparation of financial statement will come for 10 marks. तो 10 मार्क का क्वेश्चन आएगा जिसमें आपको ये फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट बनानी होंगी. जैसे हमने ट्रेडिंग अकाउंट, पीएनएल अकाउंट बनाना सीखा था, वैसे ही वी विल लर्न हाउ टू प्रिपेयर रिसिप्ट एंड पेमेंट अकाउंट, हाउ टू प्रिपेयर इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट एंड हाउ टू प्रिपेयर बैलेंस शीट. But that we will do later when we will be discussing this chapter. So this is your trailer of NPO chapter. Now I hope that meaning is clear to every student. Meaning तो समझ आ गया होगा, फीचर समझ आ गए होंगे, हमें फाइनेंशियल स्टेटमेंट के नाम पता है, मीनिंग we will do later. So now, balle balle, we are ready for class 12. Our another chapter trailer is complete and this chapter was of 10 marks. So we will be discussing this chapter briefly soon. So there is many more to learn in this chapter. So guys, you can join me daily at 4 p.m. for class 11th, class 12th trailer series if you want to have the trailer of other chapters. And if you are in class 12th, then you can join me at 6 p.m. daily. For upcoming sessions and notes, you can join us on Telegram group Vedantu Commerce. The link is given in the description box below. And if you are worried about syllabus completion, then don't worry, we are here to take each and every of your doubt. So what you have to do is, you have to take Pro Subscription for your class 12. Because if you are going to take this, then this is going to help you for sure in scoring good marks. इससे आप आराम से क्लास 12th में अच्छे नंबर ला सकते हो, because we are providing you more than 2000 hours of live online classes. You can watch unlimited live classes with the teachers of all these subjects, whether it is account, mathematics, economics or business studies. We will be providing you highly qualified teachers having more than 5 years of experience. And all these teachers will continuously focus on your weakness, on your areas of improvement. Along with that, we will be also conducting test series regularly. We will be providing you assignments regularly so that you can become a pro in all these subjects. And all the classes will be conducted in English only. So, what is the price of this Pro subscription? The price for 1 month is 3499. But don't worry, because you have to pay only 2799 right now. because we are providing you flat 20% off. So, what are you waiting for? Go and book your seats right now for class 12 because the new batches are going to start from 30th March. And for discount, you may use my promo code SCPRO. And we will love to see you all on Pro Subscription. So guys, if you are new to this channel, then please subscribe to our channel for more such classes, and do like this session and do share this with your friends. Now see you all in the next class with the another chapter. Till then, good night, have sweet dreams and take care. Thank you everyone for watching this session. I hope that you guys enjoyed this session. So don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For now, bye bye. See you all in the next session.